This video will demonstrate the features of timeless project tracking that you can use to more accurately and easily monitor and update your project's progress using the status pane. First, make sure you have selected the status pane. The status pane contains three areas. The Dashboard tab helps you monitor your progress. The Risks tab will alert you to items that may impact your project. And the My Assignments tab will allow you to update the status of your assignments. First, we'll take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard offers you a way to visually monitor your project's status using charts. The dashboard offers over 90 charts to choose from. For example, there are charts that track your time, costs, expenses, and billing. You can configure your dashboard with the charts that are most beneficial to you. We'll take a look at that next, but first you must choose the project, task, or any work item you want to monitor. For this example, we will choose the project called Underwriting System. To configure your dashboard, select View, Configure Dashboard. On the left-hand side, you see the list of charts available for your dashboard. On the right-hand side is a list of charts selected for your dashboard. Timeless project tracking comes pre-configured with these 4 charts. To add a chart, go to the left-hand side and select the chart you want to add. Then select the Add Chart button. Similarly, to remove a chart, select the chart you wish to remove and press the Remove Chart button. Timeless project tracking gives you the opportunity to order the charts as you like. To reorder the charts, select the chart to move and press the up and down buttons. If you want to use the selected charts as the default for other work items, check the Use as Default box and then press Save. As you can see, the charts you selected are now on your dashboard. Next, we'll look at the Risks tab. The Risks section alerts you to items that may impact your project, both good and bad. Again, we can choose any work item, but for this example, we'll stick with the Underwriting System. You can see when you click on it, you can see the risks associated with it. The red stands for high risk. For example, the case archive bug is 7 days overdue. The orange stands for medium risk. The green stands for a positive event. For example, demonstrations was completed 1 day ahead of schedule. The blue is informational, which may or may not affect your project. Timeless project tracking lets you filter the risks. We currently have all time selected, but to see more recent events, you can filter it. Similarly, you can filter the risks by severity. For example, you can filter it to show only risks that are medium or high. The Risk tab allows you to see the risks of your project so you can take corrective actions or adjust before it's too late. Finally, we'll look at the My Assignments tab. The My Assignments tab shows all your assignments for the selected work item. Each employee can easily update their own status by changing the estimate or marking an item complete. Before we look at this though, let's first look at the dashboard so we can see how changes in estimates affect the project. As you can see on the dashboard burn down chart, the time remaining in our project is just under 200 hours. We can go to the My Assignments tab and change our estimate. For example, for online approvals, we can change the estimate from 40 hours to 12. We can also give a reason for the estimate change. For example, we can say that the requirements changed. Press the Update button to save the changes. Now, if we go back to the dashboard, you can see how the estimate change is reflected in the chart. Now, our project has roughly 170 hours left to completion. Similarly, the Risks tab will reflect the changes. That completes this quick overview of the status pane. For more information, please see our online tutorial or help file.